So you're thinking about planning a cruise trip or your next one. But with all those cruise itineraries out there, how do you choose the right one just for you? In this video, we're going to walk through step by step how to determine the best cruise itinerary for your budget, time, and preference. So stay tuned. First things first, you want to determine your budget. The last thing you want to do is pay for a vacation you took 6 months ago. No judgment. Cruising is one of the best value vacations out there compared to other vacations. Your standard cruise fare includes several dining options, activities, and entertainment. However, not everything's included. So you want to make sure you account for your gratuities, your specialty dinings and spa, your excursions, your alcoholic beverages, and some non-alcoholic beverages. So now that we have the budget out of the way, let's talk about your PTO, or the amount of time that you need or plan on taking your vacation. So Carnival offers a range of itineraries with varying lengths, including your 2 to 5 days for your shorter getaways, more for your girls' getaway, a bachelorette party, those type of shorter getaways. Then you have your 6 to 9 days for your more ports and sea days, and your 10 or more days for your more fun, further destinations, such as a trip to Europe or Canada. Carnival has several U.S. home ports, which will determine which ship you can sail on and which regions you can sail to and from that home port. Now, don't limit yourself. Try traveling to different home ports. That way you can experience new cities before your cruise and after. Now, if you find value in this video so far, please let your girl know and subscribe and like to this channel for more travel content. All right, so now that we have the vacation in mind, the amount of vacation time you plan on taking, as well as where you're embarking on your cruise from, it's time to choose your travel route. Each route stops at different protocols, so you can pick the one that visits the port that you want to see. The Caribbean and the Bahamas is one of the most popular cruise destinations year-round, and ports such as Europe, Bermuda, and Alaska are seasonal, so Carnival only visits them a certain time of year, so timing is a factor to consider. Now is the time to make your decision based on your style of vacation to narrow down your selection. Are you looking for more adventure? Are you a foodie? Are you looking for more relaxation or more of a nightlife? With the ships that are available to you, you want to make sure you look over their onboard activities. Look at what type of activities are included, the entertainment, as well as the specialty dining. This here will determine which ship itinerary is best for you. So now that we were able to walk through the best cruise itinerary for your preference, your budget, and your time, comment down below which Carnival cruise itinerary that you plan on selecting. And while we're at it, check out my other video on Carnival cruise mistakes that I've made so you wouldn't have to make them too. Until next time, happy cruising.